3 number.
Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser for teeth, gums, braces, dental care. With travel bag and 4 tips, ADA accepted, rechargeable, portable, and waterproof. Grey, WP587. About this item: advanced handheld, cordless water, flosser, Waterpik Cordless. Advanced features: a handheld design with quiet operation and a rechargeable battery. Convenient charger, connects magnetically and charges in 4 hours. LED indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge.
Great for travel, Cordless Advanced is portable and global voltage compatible. It includes a microfiber travel bag, tip storage case, and water plug for use on the go. Dentist recommended. 9 in 10 dental professionals recommend the Waterpik brand. Waterpik is clinically proven and the first water flosser brand to earn the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance. Key features: 4 tips, 3 pressure settings, 45 to 75 psi, removable 7-ounce reservoir, top rack dishwasher safe, 45 seconds floss time, rechargeable, USB magnetic charger, wall brick not included, global voltage, 360 tip rotation, travel bag, tip case, shower safe, easy and effective. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque and is up to 50% more effective than dental floss for improving gum health. Just fill the reservoir with warm water, place the tip. 2 number. Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser, portable collapsible for travel and storage, with travel bag and 4 tips, ADA accepted, rechargeable and waterproof. Midnight Blue WF17CD013-4. About this item: portable water flosser, convenient and easy to use. The Waterpik Cordless Slide Water Flosser features a compact handheld design that collapses for easy storage. It is ideal for small spaces and when you need to water floss away from home or when traveling. Long-lasting battery, rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 4 weeks of use from a single charge. Use the included USB-C to USB-A cable to charge by a laptop, car, or wall adapter not included. Dentist recommended. 9 in 10 dental professionals recommend the Waterpik brand. Waterpik is clinically proven and the first water flosser brand to earn the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance. Key features: 4 tips, ultra-quiet design, 3 pressure settings, 50 to 80 psi, removable 6-ounce reservoir, top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, 45 seconds floss time, USB charging cord, global voltage, travel bag, shower safe. Easy and effective, removes up to 99.9% of harmful plaque bacteria from treated areas and is up to 50% more effective than dental floss for improving gum health. Just fill the reservoir with warm water, place the tip in your mouth, and start water flossing. Warranty and support, backed by a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. See manual for details. Waterpik's Colorado support team is available to help with any product questions or needs. 1 number. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser Professional for teeth, gums, braces, dental care, electric power with 10 settings, 7 tips for multiple users and needs, ADA accepted, white WP660. About this item: advanced water flossing. Aquarius is a performance water flosser model featuring enhanced pressure with 10 settings for a custom clean, massage mode for gum stimulation, plus a built-in timer/pacer pauses briefly at 30 seconds and 1 minute to help track flossing time. Chrome accents, no water flosser feature, pulses per minute, 1400. Chrome accents, no, high volume reservoir and slim handle. Holds 22 ounces for 90 seconds of use, no refilling required. Small maneuverable handle makes it easy to floss all areas including back teeth and includes a convenient water on/off switch. Dentist recommended. 9 in 10 dental professionals recommend the Waterpik brand. Waterpik is clinically proven and the first water flosser brand to earn the American Dental Association (ADA) seal of acceptance. Key features: 7 tips for multiple family members and needs, 10 pressure settings, 10 to 100 psi, removable 22-ounce reservoir, top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, 90 seconds of flossing time, 360 tip rotation, 120 VAC/60 Hz for use in North America only, easy and effective. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque and is up to 50% more effective than dental floss for improving gum health. Just fill the reservoir with warm water, place the tip in your mouth, and start flossing. Warranty and support, backed by a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty. See manual for details. Waterpik's Colorado support team is available to help with any product questions or needs.